to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Come inside and take a seat and relax. Come inside and take a seat and relax. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello everyone. It's your girl DC. And guess what, guys? I'm tired. I am tired. All right, guys. I'm about to get my 20 and 20 on today. This is day 10. I'm almost absolutely positive without looking at my box. My paper. It is day 10 for my 20 and 20 push-up challenge. 20 push-ups for 20 days by Stephanie's 50 and Climbing. And I was challenged by Just Bambi. All right, guys. Oh my God. I was up late last night partying with my girl, Mukbang and THANGS. Let me tell you something. I partied so hard. I woke up this morning. I'm like, where are my glasses? Couldn't find my glasses. When I found my glasses, DJ Muck. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even know. I don't even know how they got like this. My glasses are broke. Look at that. Look at that. This is the good side. I woke up, these heifers was in the bed with me, and I must have rolled on them. These glasses cost me $800. I tried to bend it back, but it won't bend. But I'm gonna, well, I wasn't planning on going in the office tomorrow, but it looks like I'm gonna have to work from the office to go and get my glasses repaired. Can you believe that? But you know what? Girl, gotta still wear them because I can't see without them. Okay, and I only have one freaking pair of glasses. I knew I should have, see, that was my laziness, not buying that second pair, but I'm about to go get that second pair now. But I can see y'all, nobody can see with my hair covered, kind of sticking out right here, look. Can you see it? I feel it. All right, guys, let's get this workout done. Challenge 1 about to be completed. Yes. All right, guys, let's get these 20 push-ups in. Let me take these off. Just look at that. Oh my God. Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go. But I partied last night, y'all. Oh my God, I danced my butt off. If you were in my lives last night, you didn't hear the music I was listening to, but I did have my little ticker going down saying to go over to Mukbang and THANGS, and you can hear the music. She had it cronked, cronk, cronk, cronk. So whenever she's on live, either Friday night or Saturday night, I will be getting my workout on. I danced my ass off, sweated up a storm, had to end up changing my underwear because I was so wet. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys, let's get these 20 push-ups in. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 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 Oh, yes. All right. I did 30, y'all. Woo! I might make that 40 challenge for myself. Woo! But tomorrow, I won't be able to do 30. It's always getting that rhythm. Oh my God, my arms. Ooh, that feels so good. All right, guys. It is Sunday. I don't know what the date is. the 13th, I think. I don't know. But it's Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today's Sunday. And I am about to go to the store and get something to eat. I've already showered and I have on my workout clothes and I'm wearing this all day long. So I'm about to put my jacket on, get my tennis on, and I'm about to go head to the market and see what I can find. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for my next challenge. Well, actually, I already have my next challenge, so make sure you don't click off so you can see my next video. And I need my challenge for tomorrow, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. All right, guys, have an earthy day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Ah.